Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to Futitugo Travel Channel, and I'm Jay. Right now I'm in front of the Sabah Tourism Board building, and I'm here for KK free walking tour. Good morning. Everybody, selamat pagi. Kinabalu. So my name is Hasif. Abdul. Right. So let me tell you what is this building. This is the old social and welfare building. Alright guys, right now we're here in the pillars of Sabah, and the tour guide just now is so knowledgeable about this place. Turns out this place has a lot of history inside it, and right now they are having the wildlife, some kind of wildlife exhibition here, where all the pillars, um, they have this artwork about all the endangered species here in Sabah. As you can see, there's at my back, that's a turtle, shark. Yes, sea turtle, shark. There's also peasant, horsefield, tarsier. But let's check this place out. Let's go. Kota Kinabalu but api-api. And api means fire in the local language, in Bahasa Malaysia. To where? To the green point, 250 meters. From here to go to there, right? Alright guys, this is like the third spot we're going up. We're going to walk up to the Observatory hill up there, and it will be like 250 meter. Let's go. And goes all straight to the Australian place over here. Hard to understand each other, so we speak English. Speak Bahasa Malaysia or Malay language. Alright guys, right now we're here at Signal Hill Observatory Tower, and that's the tower back there. And from up here you can actually see the Kota Kinabalu city. At my back you can see all the buildings. And right over the sea over there is the Gaya Island.
World War II, right? Then, so the clock tower is named after Francis George Atkinson, the first district officer of Kota Kinabalu. This is the flower. You see the little bits in the middle? And Sarawak. So all these three countries form an alliance to form a new federation called as Malaysia.
Now we're here at the bridge, going towards the pasar, or what do you call that? The market here in Kota Kinabalu. Pasar Besar, the big market here in Kota Kinabalu. Just now we're at the War Monument, but now we're heading to this big market here in Kinabalu. Finally. Alright guys, right now we're inside this shop called Kadaiku. This is like the last spot in this walking tour. And inside here you can see all the local product.
Alright, okay. Hello, my name is Mohammed Hasif. and then I'm from Sabah Tourism Guide Association. So this is we're having a walking tour, free walking tour in Kota Kinabalu. We bring around the guests start from the Sabah Tourism Board building all the way around the city by foot and go up to the Signal Hill, and we finish at the Sinsuran Market, right? So it's a very good program to share the story, the people, and the history about the city itself. Everybody must come, not just tourists, local also must come and learn something about the city, our heritage, our city, and the people itself. That's a very good program. It's only 2 hours and it's free. Everybody should come. Yes.
All right, thank you. Awesome. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. And signing out, I'm Jelly J from Kota Kinabalu. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.